Today we are unboxing Oneplus 7T. Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. This is Oneplus 7T. It's look like very long box. Mention that 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Just open here. First bunch of paperworks. Invitation letter from CEO. Oneplus stickers. Oneplus user manual. Backside is multi-language user manual. And then it's beautiful nice glacier blue color OnePlus phone. In cover mention that in-screen fingerprint sensor. After that plastic TPU case there in the box. SIM eject tool. "30W warp charge 30T charging. Complete 70% of charging in 30 minutes. Type-C USB cable. That's all in the box. Just open top cover. Dimensions of phone is 6.33 inch height, 2.93 inch width, 0.32 inch thick. Weight is 190 gram. On the right hand side, power button and signature notification switch. Volume buttons on the left hand. On the bottom, you'll find a speaker, USB-C port, and a dual SIM card tray. Front and back of phone Gorilla Glass 5. The triple camera module is shaped in a circular design, similar to the Moto phones. And dual LED flash. 16 megapixel water drop selfie camera. 6.55 inch 90Hz Fluid AMOLED display. 2400 by 1080 Full HD Plus resolution. 29 aspect ratio. HDR10 and HDR Plus certified. It's reducing 42% of blue light. Front and back Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Let's skip the installation process. The OnePlus 7T has a wonderful display. This is one of the best displays I've ever seen. On a smartphone, OnePlus gave the 7T a 90Hz screen. This 1080p panel looks absolutely incredible, and it is more visible outside due to its brighter lighting. 90Hz higher refresh rates means the image on the screen refreshes more rapidly, resulting in smoother transitions on screen. Oxygenos 10.0 is based on Android 10. The first phone to come with Android 10 out of the box, so you also get all the improvements. The optical reader fingerprint sensor underneath the Oneplus 7T display is the fastest and most consistent I have encountered yet in a smartphone. Face unlock also working fast. At this price, this is one of the best daylight cameras you can get on a smartphone. The OnePlus 7T has 3 cameras on the rear, similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro. The main camera is the 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor. There is no optical image stabilization in the telephoto lens, so you'll need to hold a little more steady when using that shooter. The telephoto lens is 12 megapixels. Images are sharp, but not over-sharpened, and colors are overall great. There is a noticeable difference in the color profiles of the wide, standard, and telephoto cameras. It's likely due to auto-white balance using different sources at the different focal lengths. OnePlus 7T is capable of recording 4K video in 30 and 60 FPS on the main 48-megapixel wide sensor camera. It can also record 4K 30 FPS video on the 2x telephoto, but only record 1080p 30 FPS on the ultra-wide camera. Super Macro is a new addition to the OnePlus 7T camera. It uses the ultra-wide camera to focus really close on small subjects. You can switch between 3 zoom levels while in Super Macro mode. But keep in mind that these only crop on the same camera and don't actually switch to any of the other cameras. Super Macro suggests a distance of between 2.5 centimeters to 8 centimeters from the subject, letting you get right up in there. The OnePlus 7T uses Qualcomm's premier Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is only in a couple of devices so far. This chip is clearly focused on gaming, with a pretty significant 15% boost to the GPU over the 855 processor. 128 GB is the only storage Oneplus is offering with this device in the US, but I think this will be totally fine. For most users, there is, unfortunately, no microSD card expansion available in the 7T. Oneplus 7T comes with 8 GB of fast UFS 3.0 RAM. Asphalt 9, it's working really good graphics, no lagging and very fast performance. and then playing PUBG works really smooth and good graphics performance. It works. HD quality. Call of Duty have some graphics issues on both left and right side. Need to fix this issue. Other than game works fine. Overall, the Oneplus 7T is a great phone. It's a perfect fit for those who want the OnePlus 7 Pro at a much lesser price. The OnePlus 7T price is $599, the 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage version of the phone. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel.